Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a bolognese, because bolognese ain't nothing but spaghetti, okay? Make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
So the first thing we're gonna do is add some oil and get the pan really hot so we can brown this ground beef. Now we're just gonna add some seasonings. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, smoked paprika, a little bit of red pepper flakes, some cumin. I couldn't find my Italian seasoning, so I didn't add that. But we gonna, if you got some, just add it. Now we're just gonna clean up any oil that we need to get out of here. Drain out any oil. Alright, so now we're gonna just add some garlic. Now we're gonna add our onions, celery, and carrots. It's gonna be that much. Okay, I had to take out the tomato sauce and just strain it, and we're gonna go ahead and put some tomato paste in there because I almost forgot. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some of this. Y'all want to make sure you just cook this in for about 5 minutes, y'all, before we add everything else in, because we don't want it to be bitter. So cook it through. Okay, so we're gonna add about 2 cups of beef broth. If you don't have this much in your pot, you can use like 1 cup. I might end up adding some more. Just depends when we add everything. What's it gonna look like? We got some tomato sauce. Now y'all could just go ahead and just add some like regular spaghetti sauce if you want, but I wanted to kind of make my own. So we're gonna do some sauce and some crushed tomatoes. Okay, so we're just gonna add some salt to this boiling water. We're using Rigatoni noodles for this. Y'all can use spaghetti noodles, fettuccine, whatever kind of noodles you want, you can use. And just cook these just like the box say, y'all. Alright, so we're going to go in with about 1/2 cup of heavy cream, just to give it some creaminess. I was supposed to add some basil in this, but I don't have none, y'all, so Y'all can add basil if y'all want. We'll add some Parmesan. And some mozzarella. Also, if your Bolognese sauce is too thick, you can use some of this pasta water, so do not throw it out. Alright y'all, so this is how it came out. I am going to add a couple red pepper flakes. Y'all, don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.